this part of Madrid, traffic circles endlessly, cars flow around one of the city's most recognized symbols, Puerta de Alcala. This isn't just an arc you pass by. For centuries, this was a ceremonial gateway into Madrid, a statement of power, order, and arrival. Up close, the inscription reads, Rege Carolo III, King Charles III, the man behind the monument. Just steps away, the city softens. Tree-lined walkways, cafes under umbrellas, families drifting through the shade. Then iron gates open, and Madrid exhales. We are now at one of the main entrances for El Retiro. El Retiro isn't just a park, it's protected history, carefully maintained for everyday life. And just beyond the gates, a small sign marks something important. Europa Nostra Award, recognition for cultural preservation. Wide paths stretch ahead, lined with towering trees. Grass divides a walkway like a ribbon. You immediately feel it. Cool air, slower pace, softer sound. This is Madrid's reset button. Suddenly, music floats through the trees. A guitar, a harp, maracas, played effortlessly by three men in Cuban-style hats. We then arrive at the Fuente de los Galápagos, gifted to Spain in the 1800s. Angels circle the basin, red flowers framing the scene. The lake opens up slowly, water tinted olive green beneath the sun. Rowboats glide across the surface, ducks cutting gentle ripples. And there's monuments that rise in the distance, reminder that even leisure here carries history. Couples walk, family pause, solo visitors sit quietly. No one rushes in this place. El Retiro was once reserved for royalty. Today, it belongs to everyone. A narrow path leads deeper into the park. Bushes close in, light filters softly through leaves. Then another fountain, Fuente de las Campanillas, calm, understated and almost hidden. Fuente de las Campanillas, or Little Bells, originally named for a small tower in its center that had bells which chimed when the wind blew. Suddenly, the park becomes formal. Perfectly trimmed hedges, symmetrical gardens, intentional design. This is Plaza Parterre, inspired by French garden traditions, order imposed gently on nature. Madrid doesn't shout beauty, it layers it. Stone steps descend, flanked by elegant bases. Black railing, accented with gold floral design, add quiet drama. Below, flowers bloom in pinks, reds, and oranges, beautifully manicured gardens. Then quietly, a smaller fountain appears. Dolphins and mythical creatures carved into stone. It's playful, almost whimsical, easy to miss if you're rushing. Ahead stands a statue of Jacinto Benavente, Nobel Prize-winning playwright. The statue features a woman who represents an actress holding a theatrical mask. Two decorative stone vases featuring goat head motifs located on each side. Dates carved beneath the name mark a life devoted to words and ideas. Nearby, another monument honors Angel Pulido Fernandez, a physician and humanitarian. El Retiro isn't only about kings, it remembers thinkers too. This formal French-style garden, a remnant of the original royal grounds, known for its elegant design, is iconic statue of the fallen angel and features one of the oldest trees in Madrid, a massive cypress over 400 years old. Geometric flower beds, manicured hedges, and a central water feature is what makes the French Parterre a classical formal design. The paths continue, quieter now. Another pond reflects the sky, still and patient. Then an understated gate appears, Puerta de Felipe IV, less famous in Alcala, but just as historic. This park has many entrances, and not all of them loud. Soon, traffic returns near Paseo del Prado. There are 2 fountains covered by the shade of tall trees. And suddenly, a statue of Bartolomé Esteban Murillo, a master painter of the Spanish Golden Age, stands quietly among the greenery. Art, even here, is woven into daily movement. The Royal Botanical Garden sits nearby, tempting but ticketed. Instead, the camera lifts upward, tracing the height of trees that offer shade older than most cities. Back on the street, shutters closed, cafes waiting for the afternoon crowd. A red storefront, Triciclo, catches my eye. Madrid is never fully asleep, just resting between moments. Círculo de las Bellas Artes, the city grows louder again. Buses, people, movement. Then, night falls at the Royal Palace. Performers gather, visitors wonder, lights soften the stone. Madrid doesn't end the day, it transforms it. Thank you for taking a walk with me through Madrid. I hope I see you on the next episode. Make sure to subscribe.